Okay. You guys see it, sort of, but it's snowing right now. Yeah, there it is. You can see the white on the ground. But yeah, it's snowing pretty hard. You guys can hear the snow, like the wind. Probably better than my voice. So I'm trying to get close to the phone as I possibly can. But it's brisk as fuck. See, like the sun right over there. And then over here, fucking it's Antarctica. Boy. Oh, fuck. I mean, you can see this now, it's everywhere. Yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah, this shit just came on in. Cold. The temperature dropped fucking drastically. I was wearing something like this. Dress shirt, rolled up sleeves. No, it's ice cold. And it hurts. My ears, my head, my whole body, it hurts. It's cold as shit. I can't do it. See, there's snow all over me. There's serious wind for a little. Just this morning it was alright. There was no wind. It was. What the fuck happened? Why is it like this? Come on, Mother Nature. Stop being messy. Stop being on your period. Stop it. Get back to your 70-degree weather. That shit is ass. Welcome to fucking Pennsylvania. Come on, we had a fucking tornado during my last videos. Pittston, in that area, Pennsylvania. And, yeah, now it's fucking snowing. And literally the next day it snowed too. But it was too short of a time. It was really worth it. This is. Yeah, my hand is so cold right now. Channel update. It's probably going to turn into only storm videos, especially right now. See, snow can't take it camera. Yeah, there it is. That's perfection. Oh, that's cold. It's so fucking cold. It's so unbelievably cold. I can't feel my hands. Well, peace out, bitches.